Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Jeffree Star mystery box. I'm so excited to see what I got in this. I'm hoping I got some good stuff, but we will find out. I got the premium box, I think is what it is, the middle one, because I got to the thing too late and all the big ones were gone by the time I got there. It was like an hour after it started, so I didn't get it, but that's okay. I'm going to grab a knife real quick so I can actually open this box, and I'll be right back. Alright, we got our knife. I gotta open this box. So there's green paper. It doesn't have the normal like Jeffree Star logo on it, which is interesting to me because I feel like it always does, but I got a liquid frost in the color Crown Jewel. So it's like this really pretty gold color. What the hell? Okay. So that's cool. When you twist it, it closes and opens itself. So that is what that looks like. Oh yeah. I'm engaged. I will be filming a video about that whole situation eventually, but my fiance wants to be a part of that, so that's what will happen. But there is that. It's very like pretty and really intense. Alright. Okay, we got a mystery color right here. I wonder if these are all the same. I have to watch videos now that I'm finally filming this. It's just called Question Mark. Ooh, that's pretty, and I like this green top. This is a really pretty pink. And it's just called Question Mark. So that is what that looks like. It's so pretty. I really like that color actually. Sweet. I can't wait to try this on my lips. And then next I got Doll Parts, which is another really pretty pink color. Ooh. This is darker than I thought it was. I like it. So that is the doll parts. That's actually really pretty. I've actually wanted this for a really long time, but I just never purchase it because I usually buy all the nudes. So that is actually really pretty. I got two really cute pink colors to use. Yeah. And then I got Celebrity Skin and a bullet lipstick. Ooh. I love this liquid lipstick, so I am super about that. Look how pretty that is. I love it. It's so pretty. I know these swatches are like all different sizes, but that's actually super cute. And then another pop socket. This one is orange. The last one I got was red. But I don't really use these because none of them match my phone cases. So that is everything I got in my box. So this box was what, like $45 or something? And then with shipping and handling it was like 50 something. So I know these are each 18. I think this is the same. I think this is 18 as well. I don't actually know how much these are. My phone's over there. I'm guessing these are as much as the other liquid, or not the liquid frost, as much as the highlighters normally are maybe? Maybe it's more? I don't really know. But everything is super cute. I got really good colors that I will actually use. And then this little pop socketer. So this is all of it. I'm excited to use all of these lip colors and try this on my skin. It is pretty gold, so we'll see how it goes. Just because I'm like a Walking Dead girl, but that's okay. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys got a Jeffree Star mystery box, comment below and tell me what you got in yours. If you got the same stuff, if you got totally different stuff, if you got the same mystery color. I don't know if they're the same or if they're different or what, so I'm gonna have to watch some videos and check this out. But yeah, thank thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much, and have a good rest of your day. Bye, guys!